What the hell was that? I had to block the door before the creature gets in. I really need to turn on the TV for the news.
Breaking news. 3 people dead on the Florida park. Please stay in your doors. This is not a drill. A cameraman has been died in the grass. An unknown creature is coming nearby, so be prepared. All states need to be in lockdown in Alabama, Florida, Chicago, New Jersey, New York, Texas, California, Washington, New Mexico, Wyoming, and Idaho. Here's the camera footage.
We need to get out.
Wow, that is really bad, but we need to repair. If you have weapons, get your weapons right now. Get food, supplies, and water drinks.
The following message has been issued by the U.S. government. The unknown creature is going to other states in United States. This is not a drill. Here's all the instructions you need to do. If you have food and water, get all the food supplies and water drinks. Do not go outside, even the unknown creature will see you. Don't make any noise. If you make any noise, the creature will hear you and terminate. If you're indoors, stay indoors. Lock all doors and cover all the windows. Police and ambulance will be unavailable calling until the morning at 7 a.m. until the unknown creature overs. This is all for the extractions today. Please stay safe. May God be with you all.